Hey everyone, welcome back. Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Bold K10. It's also known as the Blue Bold K10 because it's made by Blue, but they kind of took that off there. But if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you don't remember what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you guys how to do that. Just a reminder though, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. And if you want to see something special, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you. But other than that, let's get into this. First thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off, and in this case it is. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding volume up first, and then I'm going to hold power. And then when the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. All right, that brings us to our Android recovery. From here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button again. So now it's deleting. Now it's done, and from here we can either turn it off or reboot it. I'm just going to turn it off. But if you do reboot it, it just loads to the welcome screen. You can navigate the phone back to the home screen, set it up like it was when it was new. That is how we do a hard reset on a Blue Bold K10. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, follow, share, subscribe, all that wonderful good stuff. We appreciate all that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.